Can I safely use essential oils internally? What are the benefits? These are very important questions, and I'll answer them today on this video. Hi, I'm Lori Funderburk, an essential oil user and educator. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button so you can be notified every time I upload a brand new video. I'm excited to give you the chance to grab my free Essential Oils Made Easy guide. All you got to do is click the description below to find that link. Go ahead and put in your email address and that guide will be in your inbox in no time. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up and hit the subscription button so you don't miss a single episode. So the question you're asking is about using essential oils internally. Well, one of the most common reasons for using essential oils internally is to reap the benefits they hold for the body. You see, each essential oil possesses a different chemical structure that will provide the body with unique properties and benefits. For example, some essential oils can be used internally to promote healthy cell function, or support gut health, or maintain healthy immune function, while others offer internal cleansing benefits. When used properly, essential oils hold a wide variety of wellness benefits that can come from internal use. In addition to substantial health benefits, internal use also provides a way to add safe, natural, potent flavors to food and beverages. Is it safe to use essential oils internally? Well, if you've never used essential oils internally before, it might seem strange to consume something so powerful and potent. However, essential oils come from plants, fruits, and compounds found in nature and therefore present a safe way to receive internal benefits. You're most likely already incorporating essential oils into your daily diet, as many of the foods we eat contain a small amount of essential oil. Because our bodies are designed to metabolize and process natural compounds like plants and fruit, we are already equipped to metabolize essential oils. Essential oils are merely high concentrations of natural compounds, the part that gives plants their taste and smell. While some essential oils are never appropriate for internal consumption, there are plenty of oils that can be safely taken internally and processed by the body, much like other substances found in nature. How can I use them internally? Well, to enjoy the internal benefits of essential oils, you can always add a drop or two to a glass of water. Not only will essential oils add potent flavor to plain water, but this will provide an easy way to use essential oils internally. Another simple way to use essential oils internally is to place a few drops into a supplement capsule. doTERRA offers vegetarian capsules that are free of preservatives and animal products and are easy to digest. Essential oils can also be placed directly in the mouth and swallowed for internal benefits. Now keep in mind that essential oils are extremely potent and even one drop on or under the tongue will be powerful. For essential oils that are too powerful to take directly, dilute a drop in at least 4 ounces of water before swallowing. And remember, essential oils like cassia, cinnamon, clove, cumin, oregano, and thyme should always be diluted. Adding essential oils to your favorite food dishes and baked goods is a great way to experience the flavor-enhancing benefits of essential oils, not to mention their benefits for the body. The smallest amount of essential oil can enhance the flavor of an entree, beverage, dessert, marinade, or any other dish that can use complementary flavors. Now you know that using essential oils internally is a safe and great way to help you take control of your family's health naturally. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.